I want to talk about manifestation, and in this video, instant manifestation. As a volunteer park ranger, I'm walking along the trails yesterday, and I'm saying to the universe, I haven't seen a cardinal in a little while. Gosh, I sure would love to see one. And as I was on the trail, I looked up, in flew this beautiful creature right into the tree, right in front of me, and he stood long enough for me to capture his beautiful essence. Now, some say this is a loved one. This was a specific answer to me from Spirit. Instant manifestation. Always, always stay positive. Keep asking. You never know when the gift comes, huh? Think about it.